Welcome. If you want to switch off your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, we got two methods. The first one, you have to open notification panel and you will find power icon in this place. When you tap on it, you get this menu and you have to click power off for the 2 times, and after that your smartphone will be turned off. But you get also another option with the power key, but to set it up, you have to go for the settings, and then you have to find advanced features. Right now go for the side key, and as you can see, you have to find this option, press and hold, and switch from Wake Bixby to power off menu. And right now when you make that simple switch, you have to press power key. You will find it on the right edge under these volumes keys. So it's here, click and hold it for a few seconds, and after that we got finally our power off menu instead of the Bixby. So click power off, and as you can see, it's finished. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.